Transforming your garage into a DIY haven starts with the right tools. Whether you're a seasoned tinkerer or just starting out, there are 4 essentials you can't do without. Begin with the basics: a sturdy set of hand tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers. These are the unsung heroes of any project. Then power up your workspace with drills, impact drivers, and grinders. They're not just time savers, they're your ticket to DIY mastery. As your tool collection grows, so does the need for organization. Keep chaos at bay with toolboxes, shelves, and pegboards. An orderly garage isn't just about aesthetics. It's about safety and efficiency. After all, a well-placed wrench is a well-used wrench. Next, meet the powerhouse of versatility, the air compressor. This marvel inflates tires, drives pneumatic tools, and blasts away debris. When choosing one, consider tank size and noise level. A 6-gallon portable model is a solid choice for most garages, and it's a breeze to maintain. Finally, for under-the-car tasks, a reliable floor jack and jack stands are non-negotiable. They're the dynamic duo that lifts and secures your vehicle, keeping you safe as you work. Opt for a heavy-duty hydraulic jack and steel stands that can handle the weight of your car with ease. With these essentials, your DIY garage will be more than a dream. It'll be a reality. So gear up, get organized, and get ready to create with confidence. Happy tinkering!